God bless you. Predestined Seed. We are cuevadelprofeta.com. This is the bread of life today. Isaiah 13:11. And I will punish the world for their evil, and the wicked for their iniquity. Listen now, the voice of God's prophet for this day.
And brother, the lid's come off of hell. That's right. And streams of demon power is pouring from everywhere. Amen. It's conquered the nations. It's conquered politics to its rotten to the core. Amen. It's conquered the churches until they know nothing but denomination. You say, are you a Christian? I'm a Methodist. Are you a Christian? I'm Pentecostal. That don't mean no more, as I said the other day, than being a pig or a hog or a horse or something. That has nothing to do with it. You're a Christian when you're born again and filled with the Holy Ghost. Amen. Not until that. And you're yielded completely to the Spirit. If you're not yielded to the Spirit, then you're not born again and you don't have the Holy Ghost. You don't have the Holy Ghost.
Shalom. If this video was a blessing for your life, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. God keep you, dear brother and sister.
Quiero amarte, Señor, y sentir la paz excelsa de tu amor. Quiero ser un